हेलो दोस्तों, आज हमारे पास इन्वायरमेंट का दूसरा टॉपिक है। इसका नाम है नेशनल ग्रीन ट्रिब्यूनल एनजीटी। इसके बारे में जानते हैं। यूपीएससी के लिए काफ़ी वाइटल इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकता है, प्रीलिम्स के लिए। इसके बारे में देखते हैं। अबाउट द नेशनल ग्रीन ट्रिब्यूनल, इट इज़ अ स्टैट्यूटरी एंड स्पेशलाइज्ड बॉडी एम्ड एट द इफेक्टिव एंड expectation disposal of the cases related to the environmental protection and conservation of forest and other natural resources. The genesis of the NGT established in 2010 under the NGT Act 2010 to the adjudicated environmental cases. Headquarter New Delhi. Other four places sitting in Bhopal, Pune, Kolkata and Chennai. Power has power of the civil courts under the Code of Civil Procedure 1908. Not bound by the procedures of the Civil Code Procedure in 1908 or the Indian Evidence Act 1872. Guided by the principle of natural justice, mandate to the dispose application appeal finally within 6 months of filing. Members held office for 5 years but shall not be eligible for reappointment. NGT Legislative Framework, the Biological Diversity Act 2002, Water Prevention and Control Pollution Act 1972, Water Prevention and Control Pollution Cess Act in 1977, Forest Conservation Act in 1980, Air Prevention and Control of the Pollution Act in 1981, Public Liability Insurance Act 1991, Environment Protection Act 1986. Eligibility for the chairperson, judge of the Supreme Court or the Chief Justice of a High Court. Appeal. The order are binding but not final. It can be reviewed. Its judgment on appeal could be made in Supreme Court within a 90 day. Thank you so much.